Ever stared at a spreadsheet feeling like you're playing a game of where's the missing data? Today, we're diving into a powerful Excel technique to find exactly that. Counting blank cells product-wise. This is a game changer for identifying gaps in your data and ensuring accurate reporting. Let's get started by opening your Excel file. First things first, ensure your data is organized with clear headings. We'll assume you have a list of products and a column where you'd expect to find a value, like quantity, sales, or any other metric in our example. This is the quantity column. Now, let's add a new column to our table to store our blank cell counts. You can name it something like blank count or missing items. This is where the magic happens. We're going to use a combination of Excel functions in the first cell of our new blank count column. We'll enter a formula to count the blanks for the first product. The formula essentially says, look within our entire product list, find all the cells that match the current product we're interested in, and from those specific rows, count how many are empty in our quantity column. To do this precisely, we'll point Excel to your product name column. Tell it which specific product this row refers to, then point it to your quantity column, and finally tell it we're looking for empty cells. Once you've entered the formula for the first product, simply press Enter. You'll see a number appear, indicating the count of blank cells for that particular product. To apply this to all your products, just grab the little square at the bottom right of the cell and drag it all the way down. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each product. And there you have it. You can now clearly see how many entries are missing for each product. This allows you to quickly identify which products need your attention for data entry or further investigation, leading to cleaner data and more insightful reports.